All right, this is a trade that we've been tracking, and oh my, this guy wants to leave. Okay. All right, the first entry opportunity was here, but not my kind of entry, so I didn't go for it. So waited for another opportunity, and then I got one now. But I guess they want to run away. Just wait. I'll wait. Patience is key. Patience is key. All right, so when we get an opportunity, we're gonna dive in here. Let's see where we're gonna wait. Okay, just 10 pips will be good. 10 pips. If it comes for that, better. So the 40 will be 2940 will be good for a 10 pips. So where's 2940? 2940 will be somewhere around here. Okay, so I would like the top of this. Okay, so we're looking at entering here now. Okay, so let's see if we're gonna get that. Okay, so let's get ready for a ride. Let's take the ride. Just waiting for that candle to finish, so that we ride on. Even though we know that they will likely finish in our favor, but the market is so unpredictable that you wouldn't want to go ahead of them. Just wait, then follow them. Okay, I think we're ready. All right, so let's get in. Okay. All right. Okay. 10 pips. Stop loss. Sorry. Yes. 0.29 30 31 31 minus 31 is good. 31.5. All right, okay, let's go. Take profit. All right, let me see. Okay, it's before the high. Man, we are blasting up. We are blasting away. We're more than 1 hour up here, so I don't think we're coming back to this my entry. Okay, let's wait still. Oh, we're close to take profit, man. Very close to take profit. Now, because there was no retest, breaking even becomes an issue now. I'll just have to wait it out, man. Just have to wait it out. Because all I can do is maybe there's no point leaving the SI here. It's not going to anything around this area is already bad. Okay. So but I can break even. At least need one swing point after a test to take a break even. If not, we just wait for this TP. Okay, look at the area I was telling us that I would have preferred my TP to be in, because that's the easiest place. Okay, but I'm not budging. Just 5 pips away. All right, let's wait. Let's wait. We're very close. Oh, this guy retested. I'm not surprised. I knew that area was going to cause a pullback. That's why I preferred my take profit to be somewhere around there. Okay. Though it's not, the trade is still valid, but that would have been an easier route. Even though I didn't like this rejection, it's coming very strong. I would have wanted it to be weak and not with any sign of strength. Alright. Okay, let's watch and see. Let's watch and see. All right, let's just leave it after this retest. Let's see what would become of. Oh man, this is a very strong rejection. All right, let's just watch it. Okay, I don't like this kind of near. Imagine just 2 pips to my take profit. Okay, and the hourly candle is ending. I usually like to close with the candle. But it's okay. Let's see how the new candle is going to start. All right. Okay, it's time for us to break even. And why we need to break even is that we have a news in about 12 minutes. And I don't want to be exposed during the news. I would have even loved to take profit by them, but okay, so let's lock in there, remove the risk, and hope that we'll get this sweep before the news. You have CPI coming up. You don't want to mess with CPI. CPI. Okay, I feel they will definitely take this guy out. Why? They'll take out this guy. They will. They won't even go higher. Because they were weak coming down here after the strength. So I think they're leaving this area now. So I think the CPI will go up, but I don't bank on it. I don't trade on it. I don't trade it. All right. Oh man. Okay. We just have to wait out this news. Okay. Alright. They threatened that break even. So good. Let's see how the news comes up in about 1 minute and some seconds. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I love watching the news on M1. It makes you want to all right, let's do countdown. We're counting down. Okay, let me see what I can shrink it on. Okay, let's say 30, 40. So let's be counting down. Why are we? Yeah, let's count down. Okay, they have options. There are always options though, but I'll stick to mine option. What if they come to sweep this low again before going up? That's a very big possibility. This low and then go up again, and then okay, but why I wouldn't want it? Okay, yeah, we're there. Oh, TP hit. Hey, our TP has been hit by one single flash. Yeah. all right, we did it. He did as usual. Make sure you subscribe and see you in our next video. All right. Oh, my boy is saying hi. Okay. All right, and that settles it.